Hey guys. Hello. How are you guys? How's your what day was yesterday? Tuesday, right? I'm a little bit sick, but I guess it's okay. Yesterday wasn't bad, price action. The stay-in was a little bit tricky. I was trying to trade IM yesterday. I was long from 2-minute inversion for a value gap. It was 10:45, I guess. 10:30, I don't remember for sure. And my target was weekly open. Unfortunately, I stopped at break even. And I was in this trade for 2 hours just to stop, to stop me at break even. And at the end there, the PM session, I would say exactly the same setup, exactly the same target. It played out. I guess my problem yesterday was I did not wait for daily fair value gap on ES, which was obvious. So on CL, yesterday I planned this trade. Unfortunately, it played. For CL, yeah, it's pre-market, so I did not trade this. Still looking for higher, a little bit higher. But overall, my plan already play out. Unfortunately, for gold, looking if we can close below this level right here to aim for this sell side liquidity. SPX is going to open, I guess, at this forced standard deviation level based on 2-minute manipulation leg. I'm going to look for 2 levels if it wants to retrace this liquidity right here. And we have, if I'm not mistaken, the 2-minute level or 5-minute. It's breaker blocked, just don't remember on which time frame. 15-minute, okay. But overall, inside 1 hour fair value gap on both ES and NQ. I would like to see a bit lower today. But overall, I'm bullish to all-time high. Let me show you. So far, we're still inside this fair value gap. We have 50% of daily wick on ES. We have 50% of 4-hour candle range from yesterday. And we have sell-side liquidity right here. So basically, I would say as long as we're above this range, it will try to retrace higher, go higher. Below the sell-side liquidity, big chance to take Friday low. Just overall, I am bullish on high time frame to take all-time high. On medium time frame, like retracement down and higher probably. So let's see. Like no solid plan for today. That's pretty much it. What about you guys? What is your plan for today? What are you looking for? You're looking for short. What is your target? If you're looking for long, what is your target? Share with me. We'll compare our analysis. A bit sick, guys. I'm so sorry about this. Probably my voice. It should be okay, I guess. Yeah, overall bullish, but I would say lower still preferable. But let's see, maybe it's going to be SMT. Let's see how we can hold this range on. Overall bullish, don't mind to see like a long setup, but retracement a bit lower also will be fine. Yeah. So far we have this low right here on 1-hour chart. What Crystal says. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm going to come back in 1 minute. Nice little SMT so far. Yeah, let's see. So I'm not going to, predict something right now. Just let's see what will. Oh, by the way, guys, you know what I decided to do? I decided, like, slowly transition trading 5-minute chart and higher. So, kind of, have a plan to start trading execute on 5-minute chart only. Yeah, it's going to be like bigger risk, but overall, solid setups. So we will see. 103 reversal. Yeah, so far I found like 5-minute works nice. 3-minute, 5-minute works nice. Let's see. Maybe the retracement lower, then continuation higher. Kind of don't mind to sweep the sell side liquidity. Thank you. So once again, we sweep this hourly low right here. We have pre-market low right here. Let's see if we may take it. Because I would say if we may take it, and on 1 hour chart, we're going to look like sweep, it's going to be 10 a.m. reversal. Probably. So far, just looking at this pre-market low to be taken. Preferable to be taken. And after this, if it may look like sweep on a 1 hour chart in 30 minutes, it can be 10 a.m. reversal. FOMC minutes day, I guess it's not regular FOMC, right? Still will offer some volatility, but it's not going to be like regular one. So today, like, experiment, guys. We are going to try to trade 5-minute chart, and I'm going to try to do this on my funded accounts. Just let's see. Let's see what I can see on 5-minute chart. Just, need to accept bigger like stop loss, but it's okay. Just smaller size. Okay, so far we took pre-market low. We touched the 50% of our candle range from yesterday. Yes, on its way down to take 50% of daily week, preferably. What else? Going to duplicate this, I guess. Like, not really SMT so far, like nothing. Hello, guys. Obviously, it can be like consolidation today because of this FOMC minutes. FOMC minutes today, like not like regular FOMC. Kind of hard to speak a lot. This means we're going to be more focused, right? Yeah, both took this liquidity right here. It's not SMT, nothing. So guys, let's see. Kind of would like to a little bit lower still. A bit early for reversal, you know. Yeah, there's a big difference between these. Well, we swept this low right here. Once again, it still means nothing. I would like to see how our candle can close first. As you can see, pretty choppy right here. I'm in 15-minute chart. Pretty choppy 15-minute chart right here. Our candle, it's important to see how we can close. It's going to be like sweep, where it's going to be closure below this low. I don't know. Big non close candle right here. And at this point, kind of tricky to say where is change in the state of delivery. Disappointed on the CL. I had solid plan to trade CL this morning, but when I woke up, I was like, okay, well, no plan anymore. Okay, as you can see, first in the deviation of this manipulation leg lines up with this liquidity level right here. So we're like 40 cents away so far. We'll see. On gold, we close below this level right here. So we retrace back to this OB right here. I would say it's not like the OB. We trace to this change in the state of delivery right here. Now the question, can we take the sell side liquidity or not? SPX. Okay, SPX opened below this level. So once again, my key levels for SPX for this week is going to be right here. We got gap. So if it wants to test all-time high again, I will look for first an deviation based on 10-minute manipulation leg. Then a possible reversal to aim for this sell side liquidity, and we have 15-minute breaker block. Market low. By the way, ENQ still inside. Come on, inside hourly for a value gap. If you change in the state of delivery, I buy. You mean NQ? Just patience right now. No reason to force any trades yet. Okay, so far we just have this high right here. I'm not ready to long yet. Still not enough information to long. And confirmation, right? All I'm looking right now is to get better structure. Because ideally what I would like to see on NQ, preferably continue going lower. Then before 10 a.m. it's going to be like quick recovery. So I would like to see the sweep. So basically hourly candle preferably should close somewhere right here. Then continuation. Like this. This is what I would like to see, preferably. Maybe even a bit lower. Like this. Just, I'm not going to like kind of hard right now to long. At least I don't see any like confirmation yet, which is like even better for me. So no reason to chase something. So once again, I'm going to try today to trade 5-minute chart. So this means I'm going to try to execute on 5-minute chart. Let's see how it goes. Well, while we are waiting for something, let me connect accounts. 20 accounts, so I guess not a big deal. So I'm not sure about how many contracts I'm going to trade because I have no idea how big stop loss is going to be. See, yeah, I decided to give it a try because I stuck at 1-minute chart and 2-minute chart. And I guess if I'm just going to execute on 5-minute chart, it's going to be like better trades, better confirmation, and blah, blah, blah. No, not only like 2-minute and 5-minute chart. Just not looking on 1-minute chart. Preferably at all, but we will see how it goes. I like cannot promise anything. No, we are going to use 2-minute inversion. 2-minute and 5-minute, you know, like. Yeah, for setup, we are going to use our hourly chart. Just execute on 5-minute chart. Like, I used 1-minute chart, 2-minute chart, and like almost never executed on 5-minute chart based on 5-minute setup and 1 hour bias. For example, we got hourly PD ray. We're looking for. I was looking for 1-minute structure to get a market maker model, right? But right now I'm going to do exactly the same, but we'll try to execute on 5-minute chart. It's like experiment. Right now, I don't expect like move higher. Preferable to see continuation lower. Crystal ball. Where is crystal ball? It's right there. Because ideally, if for example, let's say it wants to be like 10 a.m. reversal. For this, I would like to see lower until 10 a.m. Then reversal. So, I don't trade fair value gap, so I don't need to wait for fair value gaps. I will wait for order block, and that's pretty much it. My internet is okay, so it should be okay, I guess. Yeah, overall I'm bullish. Just need to go lower first. A bit lower. I have issue with Steam. Let me see. I'm going to watch myself. Let me turn. Where's my YouTube? Where's me? Where's me? Oops. It's fine. No any issue. Yeah, some people prefer to execute on fair value gaps. For some reason, I'm not just best in trading fair value gaps. Yeah, maybe it was issue with internet. I don't know. I'm so sorry, guys. Once again, a bit sick. Yesterday, like almost no voice. Today is better. I need to finish early today. I'm going to finish at 11. Just transitive market. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm not saying like fair value gaps don't work, because it works. It works. Just I personally prefer to execute based on based on order blocks. It's just personal preference. Once again, you want to find that works for you. That's it. That's so funny. Can we go higher, please, market makers? That's all I ask. Like, the chase lower. What is your problem? It's not that hard to drop before 10 a.m. Why? Because I asked you about this. Just do this. Oh, you can actually see this. That's hourly, 4 hour, and I have daily candle right here. Manipulation? Probably before 10 a.m. If 10 a.m. wants to be reversal, makes sense to manipulate first. Just, yeah, like manipulation. So we're still inside this OB, nothing is going on. So I don't really mind to trade gold, just I don't really like what is going on right here. Cannot long this, cannot short this right now. So overall don't like it. I guess right now I'm just waiting if it can continue going lower without trading something. See, I just said this and it's like immediately dropped. Oh, and you, good job. Good job. Good job, good job. That's because I was polite. I was kind to you and Q. Amazing. So far, amazing. You want to see 100? I mean, previous day low. Absolutely okay with this. If this can happen before 10 a.m., go ahead and take previous day low level. I will not mind. I will not mind. Come to mommy. Yes. Exactly. Yes, at this point, kind of job, yeah, right. Nothing happened. Unfortunately. It's like power of 3, I guess. I would say overnight was like mostly consolidation, so I really would like to see manipulation. Down, because overall I'm bullish. So it's hard for me to look for manipulation up when my bias is bullish. So at this point, just logically makes sense to look for manipulation down. Too long. Too long. It's like simple. So I'm not trading again today at all. We also got this propulsion block. It's not really a propulsion block. It's like OB more. I did test and we tested this twice with liquidity sweep. So it wasn't bad. Depends. So if you just open forward chart, you will see inside consolidation. Since pretty much Sunday. Yes, it's consolidation. I'm so sorry. And if it's really like bullish, it should manipulate it down. You know, I will accept manipulation. For example, if ES is going to manipulate down with break below consolidation low, while NQ fails to do this, it's going to be sold SMT, right? Anyway, guys, we will see. No reason to predict something. Especially when intraday traders, we don't need to predict something on high time frame. I mean, we need this, but we don't really need to trade this. Yeah, market. Yeah, let's see. If not like high time frame manipulation, at least medium time frame, this means 15-minute hourly, at least like something there. So far on 15-minute chart, we already have manipulation lower. Not going to lie, I prefer a bit lower still, because ES doesn't really want to leave this consolidation low time frame. Just one more flush down, then up, and we're good. Oh, that's basically free indicator. I just was looking for indicator that's going to show me several time frames, Let me see. It's like the indicator. I just changed colors. Give me 1 second. Link in the chat. Yeah, ICT high from candles. Manipulation level. So on NQ, my manipulation level will be okay at right here. There's sell side liquidity right below this hourly fair value gap. And I would say previous day low level will be fine. On yes, since it's pretty much consolidation, I kind of don't mind to see 50% of daily week, which also can be considered as consolidation, not consolidation, liquidity right here and previous day low level. So basically, yeah, like this range right here, entire range. You buy? Okay. Good luck. If I was market maker in my dream, I would drop again, like one more time, to stop you out. Yeah, so for inside market maker sell model. No adjustments, like it's just, where is this? I changed colors. That's it. I didn't back because red is too bright for me, in my opinion. And just, reduce amount of candles, 5, 5, 5. Offset right here is 12, but it was 10 or 20, I don't remember. Here's the settings. You can just copy them if you would like. Overall, yes, when we have, I would say like a little bit different. When we have, let's say, bullish fair value gap, and above that bullish fair value gap, we have sell side liquidity level. At this point, yes, fair value gap is high probability. But yeah, it's still valid. So if we have sell side liquidity right below fair value gap, it's okay. I was just looking for indicators that shows several candles. I just typed high from candles and it gave me this result. So at one time frame, Okay, once I see change in the state of delivery, I will explain why it's changing the state of delivery. Let's wait for a real-time example. Since I need to leave at 11, I hope to get set up before 11. But once again, 2 minutes left. Please, can you drop more? Just for me. Be kind. Be kind with us. Just drop a little bit more. Also waiting for 2-minute model. Maybe it's going to offer 2-minute model, which is amazing. So idea today is to execute 2-minute model or 5-minute change in the state of delivery. That's pretty much it. We'll see. Just one more move down, please. Please. See how you need to ask in queue to do something, guys. See? Like, say, like, please. It is going to drop. I'll tell you, like, I'm experienced with this, guys. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Spring overall is going to be better than winter. Why? Because actually we said Q1, right? So Q1 is normally consolidation. That's why it's a bit tricky right now, I believe. It's 10 a.m. It's 10 a.m. Okay. So I cannot see the future, but ideally, can you see the text right here? You should, I believe. Not sure about stop loss, of course. Like this. Yeah, exactly. So something like this will be amazing. Now, unfortunately, I cannot see the future. Unfortunately. So that's in my perfect world setup that I would like to see. What will happen in reality? I don't know, like, you got my idea. Maybe a bit higher. I don't really care how high it wants to go, just give me this. Yeah, entry obviously can be lower, depends on inversion fair value gap. Yeah, that's crystal ball, guys. That's not my idea. I had a feeling. It's too kind of too early for magnets. Like, say something like it's a scam or arrows. Just a bit early, since we are not in this trade. Hello, hello. And let's see. Let's see. That's interesting. NQ is doing absolutely amazing job so far. But look at yes. 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 Only the problem is I need to go at 11. I will be... I'm going to go home at 1. So I will not be able to trade between 11 and 1. That's only the problem for me. I don't want to miss something, but if it's not going to offer something before 11, I'm going to miss something. How trade PM session? Nothing changed. Exactly the same as a trade AM session. Serious question. Can you please send me this question on Twitter? So I will check. So I don't want to look for a chart. So if you can send me like example chart on Twitter, I will be so happy to see this. It's like office in my house. Yes, I do use. Still not enough for me. Why? Okay, MQ. See how, like, it's funny. I mean, still looking lower at 50% of daily week right here. Now makes sense to take daily, previous day low level. Let's go by. If we just can take this level, I mean, not like 1 point away, but take this level and previous day low taken, we can talk about potential long opportunity. How many trades? It's like totally depends on month. So sometimes, like last week, okay. What happened on Thursday? On Thursday, I trade. Did I trade? I guess I did not trade AM session on Thursday, but got a loss on 10 PM session. On Friday, I took a trade. It was loss and win. On Monday, I did not trade. And on Tuesday, I got 2 winners. Yesterday. Today, no trade yet. It's like depends. So sometimes it's going to be like lots of trades. Sometimes not lots of trades. Kind of stuck at equilibrium Friday range so far. Yeah, it can be like support, but not point of reversal anymore, since we have obvious drawn liquidity lower. Yeah. Can we take previous day low level? I mean, like, why not? I'm going to delete this for now because I would like to bring my high time frame candles back. So you got my idea. So we are going to see this in real time, if you don't mind. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. The US market, not really. So, in my like opinion, maybe it's going to be different with yours, since like I prefer to trade like power of 3. I don't really need to know like about macro time, because if it's like power of 3, it's going to happen. And totally depends on sweep, where manipulation is going to end, changing the state of delivery. I mean, smart money reversal. So, like macro time is nice, but I don't use this because it doesn't really make sense to me. To me. Once again, if I'm going to enter the long, you will see this one, and we are going to take this right here. So nothing to hide. But right now, I don't take any trades. Just sitting in my hand so far. Usually, normally, I execute like on stream. If I see something. Yeah, so for inside days, that's why I said like preferable to see previous day low taken. It's like, it's going to be SMT, potential reversal. I mean, yeah, let's see. Too close to previous day low level. Nothing like holds in queue right now to drop to previous day low level, since yes, still above 50% of daily week. Please, be kind with us. Okay, maybe you want to ask me, Dasha, if you like anticipated to get like moved down, why did not short this? You know, my problem, I guess problem of most of us, We trade against the trend and overall bias. And my plan for today is to look for long and kind of if you anticipate to see a move higher, and just try to follow my plan. But move down was amazing. I would say predictable. But like always, it's not hard to say the market is going to go. It's hard to execute this. It's just hard to execute this, right? Let's see. So I will look for just smart money reversal on 5-minute chart to try to long. So what 50% of daily week? It's not like the only daily week. When we have on high time frame big weeks, but relatively small bodies, we want to highlight like this big week from the. I'm going to show you, so I don't need to, like, for example, right here. See this big week right here? What I want to do. At this point, I want to highlight from this high to this low. I would like to find 50%. So 50% of this week when we have huge week on high time frame, for example, hourly, 4 hour, 12 hours daily, like whatever, just high time frame. 50% can be liquidity level, psychological level. So normally I do consider this as potential liquidity. Oh, good job, good job. Hello, hello. Okay, ICT made like 10K. Don't compare yourself with other people. Just trust me. I'm waiting for taking previous day low level. Okay, a bit like slightly lower than previous day low level, then look for potential reversal. On and Q, if it was your question. Hello, hello, hello. Nathan is fine. Dan is okay. They're both good. Yeah, so far kind of stuck at 50% of Friday range right here. I see this. Just my concern a bit right here, not really in Q, but yes. And on yes, I need to see slightly lower because with this move down, if I'm not mistaken, nothing happened. Yet, right? Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to highlight some fair value gap. I mean, on 2-minute chart. Just definitely stuck at this level right here. Doesn't really want to move. But I didn't want to execute before 11 because I feel like it's going to be so long. Going to be extremely disappointed if long is going to be like after 11 because I will not be able to trade this. Your 4-hour manipulation level at 120. Yes, exactly, at 120. I don't really trade Forex, never tried. Cannot say how good it is or how bad it is. I normally look for CL, so that's my final target on gold. On gold, it's tricky right now, so just looking on 15-minute chart, I like this change in the state of delivery and really want to see the sell side liquidity at this point. But instead, it's just choppy right now. And I would say I'm going to wait for another confirmation. Cannot say for sure yet. If we can close below this level, probably. Oh, it's 1 hour trade. No. So just it's tricky. I cannot short right now. But if we can close below this level, we can try to scalp this to the sell side liquidity. I mean, I don't really like it. SPX kind of choppy right now. Maybe it's because of FOMC minutes. I don't know. I don't know. But yesterday IM also was kind of tricky. Yeah, so far high resistance. Exactly right. Mm-hmm. On 2-minute chart, I can see inversion right here. I mean, it's not 2-minute model to expect to get. I prefer to trade 2-minute model from high time frame level, and right now, yeah, not completed the move in my opinion. Move down, so prefer to stay away. Anyway, for our open must be partial, like always. Just expect to get long from lower level. So still no trades. So what I can see is that 2-minute chart on Ninja Trader. So yeah, we inverted this 2-minute fair value gap. Normally, I must take this long and aim for 170 because 170 is for our open, right here. But only the issue with this trade. So main rule for our 2-minute model: high time frame PT rate, high time frame level. Main issue: high time frame level never taken. So that's only the reason why I'm not in this trade. Because based on our plan, idea was different. Idea was we taking previous day low levels and reversing. And at this point, look at ES. ES did nothing so far. So I simply cannot trade this right now. I cannot try too long. Simply one reason, high time frame PT rate. Even if NQ says I'm not going to take previous day low level today. I mean, I'm going to say, well, that's okay. But at least ES needs to do something. I'm ready to accept the fact NQ wants to ignore previous day low level today, which is once again great. But only yes, we need to reverse from high time frame level. And no, nothing yet. That is why. Keep waiting, guys. I'm going to keep waiting. If you see setup, you can take it. I cannot stop you from taking trades. We don't have change in the state of delivery yet. Nothing yet. Just as I said, makes sense, in my opinion, to take previous day low level, then we can talk about long. If they're going to deliver us to 4-hour open, I mean, that's going to be fine. I'm not going to even journal this. It's like against rules for this model. Yeah, bullish fair value gap, yeah. Yes, exactly. My model also like trying to tell me, come on, Dasha, long right now. But seeing like previous day low level, like how many points away? Like less than 40 points away makes me feel Dasha, you better to stay away. Trust me. You know, like no FOMO at all, because I literally feel trying to follow my plan right now. Yes, exactly. Can we sell, please, a bit more? Just please. Our large candles on the high. For high time frame, yeah. That's indicator. I mean, if you took this trade, once again, I'm not going to say it's not going to work. It's just not going to work for me, even if it's like winning trade. Because I just have a bit like different plan. And once again, I could accept the fact like NQ doesn't want to take previous day low level, but for this, yes, it needs to do something. Okay, swap this high. Enter this 5-minute fair value gap right here. Also, just if I want to check 1-minute chart, we got inversion right. I'm not going to highlight this 1-minute inversion right here. Only like benefits of this move down, like it's pretty much small range so far. We did not drop like even like 100 points. Just ugly. Okay, it can be reclaimed for what? Okay, we got a test of inversion so far. What we have on 2-minute chart? Only concerning yes, that's it. For this long, only concerning yes right now. Just once again, if I want to execute something, I cannot find high quality setups just right now, which is absolutely okay, just not worth it. Hello. Still inside inversion 1-minute chart. I mean, right now they're trying to play games, and that's probably normal before FOMC minutes. I cannot find any other explanation why it's that volume so far. But yeah, if I see high quality setup, I don't really care about if it's going to be FOMC minutes or something like this. I'm just not going to chase. No FOMO. If I see high quality setup, I'm going to execute. If not, then not. Okay, I mean, I'm totally fine to miss a trade. Just not worth it. Okay, good luck. You're free to go. If I was a market maker, I would not present any good setups for long. I mean, yeah, probably. They did not finish the move down. Since I see like we still have room to go lower, no, it isn't too long. For me at least. That's why I don't want to take any like bullish inversions yet. So we have liquidity right here. So maybe one more sweep. Yeah, lots of models. So every single trader can use whatever he wants, what works for him or for you, right? So for classic, yes, sell day, exactly. They're trying to joke. So don't pay attention. Okay, high quality setup. It's simple. If I see higher from the level taken, I'm going to switch on lower time frame to look for setup. That's it. Higher from level, never taken on yes. I would say on NQ we have targets lower, use the low level, for standard deviation of manipulation, like blah blah blah. So just preferably one more move down, then sell long. But if it's going to be after 11, I will not be able to trade this because I need to go before at 11 a.m. And I'm going to come back at 1 p.m. So this means I'm going to trade only PM session. Preferably to see one more sweep right now. From what I can see, guys, they're literally trying to hold this inversion. Sadly. It could be textbook if ES could take higher from level. But right now, let's pray for one more sweep. No. They're trying to go to for open. That's why I was expecting to get one more sweep. Tricky. It's not tricky price action. It's just they're trying to play games right now. See, for this 2-minute models, it took this for open, which is unfortunately play out right here, but I'm not going to journal this. So first rule for this model to have high time frame P3. I cannot say like we had one. But probably, like I noticed, when we have Tuesday low or high of the week, let's say low of the week, this means Friday is going to make a new high, like 90% of the time. This means just going higher. Okay. Very disappointed with this. This long had to be from previous day low level. Ridiculous. Just ridiculous. But still not going to journal this. SPX trying to fill the gap. CL did not complete the job yet. Gold still inside. I mean, like, I could trade CL, but nothing is going on. I could trade gold, but nothing is going on. No. I closed and go higher immediately. But I still consider this as not high quality, just for me. But whatever. Only concern was ES, in my opinion. Just in order to go up, we must take high from P3. This 5-minute untapped for a value gap. I mean, that's it. Look at this week. I mean, that's crazy. What is going on? I mean, I literally execute with people with 0 seconds delay. Like literally, like I open this and execute right with people with 0 seconds delay. So I didn't know what you're talking about then. Oh my god. Okay. Right now, like, I don't have the plan, honestly. We just chase back to this inversion. It's not fair value gap. Anymore. It's inversion fair value gap. The test of this inversion. Let's highlight. Okay, we got open, close of this candle right here. We got the open of this candle right here. So 50% of RTH gap so far. Let's see how we can play with this RTH gap on SPX, because SPX usually can confirm our direction. So far, we tested twice 50% of RTH gap, and it doesn't want to break higher. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, guys, not every single day is trading day, in my opinion. So you don't need to execute every single day. But when you see high quality, take it. I'm just not going to execute because I'm on stream. I need to execute something. No, it's like stupid for me. It's stupid for you. So let's be examples that we execute on the high probability stops, A+ setups. So this for value gap right here, trying to hold on 5-minute chart. Once again, trying to look at 5-minute chart more. Looking at 1-hour chart, I would say 50% of hourly wick. Based ICT playlist, core content. So here's hourly wick. So far, I'm going to just remove the starting points and back on 5-minute chart. So far, it's trying to just be at 50% of hourly wick. I mean, close to 50%, almost to 25%. So as I said, why I would like to see lower, it's like manipulation down. And since we have bullish bias, I guess everyone are bullish right now. I would like to see manipulation down for this. It's like high time frame power of 3. And for this, manipulation down must be below liquidity level. And liquidity level right now on NQ is previous day low level. I'm not talking about previous day low level on ES, because if it wants to continue going higher, preferable to see SMT. But the reason how ES failed to take even 50% of daily wick makes me feel like kind of maybe fake long this fake long was right here, but I'm not going to say like for sure. Just kind of makes sense to chase to previous day low levels and continue going higher, but instead it just going higher. Going to make it like this. Only reason why I did not take this long, I could take this long, and I showed plan before. So previous day low taken, exactly same setup with exactly same targets. But instead it just reversed from equilibrium Friday range once again. And that's it. So it just wasn't enough for me to consider this as high quality long. Like no matter if I'm bullish or bearish, I was looking for long, but this long was not high quality in my opinion for me. But probably I'm missing something. Guys, what can you see on ES? What I missed? What pedigree I missed? Because probably I missed something. What we have? Because I only saw 50% of daily week, but maybe I missed something, which is also possible. What we have? Ejection clock, okay. What else? Like, to confirm this as on ES, not on NQ, to confirm this as high quality reversal. Because probably I'm missing something. Literally cannot see. New week opening gap, right? Order block. Order block on which time frame? Hourly? Let's jump between time frames because I need to find the answer. What I did wrong. I mean, I did nothing wrong. Just trying to find what I missed with this reversal, if it wants to be reversal for some reason. So we have this OB, right? Right here. What else? It's hourly. What about forward chart? Fair value gap right here on forward chart. But kind of hard to trust this fair value gap. We tested this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. 1 hour break or two. Man. Okay, guys, tell me. If you want to try to long in Q, can you tell me at least three sentences, guys, why you want to take long in Q? What was the reason behind your long trade? Like, reason. So for me, I see a couple of reasons, but it's not 3 reasons. OT daily, okay. What else? Like first reason, we have first why, OT daily. What else? Nothing. It's not the answers that I would like to see. No, on high time frame. I don't care about low time frame. Just high time frame. Absolutely don't care about low time frame. Each daily manipulation. Yeah, I saw this. Absolutely amazing reaction so far. Full hour fair value gap, daily OT, and last reason, 1 hour breaker block. This breaker block kind of tricky. 15-minute, okay, propulsion, okay. So yeah, we got 3 why this long can be valid. 5-minute OB. Yeah, I mean, on low time frame, I don't really care. Just trying to find logical explanation why I should long based on high time frame. Yeah, equilibrium Friday range. Interesting reaction, by the way. See how we respected this yesterday, couple of times, today again. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Was happy to see your opinion about this. Yeah, sometimes it's great to see someone's opinion, right? You still bullish on NQ. I mean, yeah, me too. Like, my inner voice trying to tell me, like, Dasha, we need to take previous day low level. But I'm trying to, like, ignore this right now. Hello. But the reason how they were trying to hold this inversion is amazing. Not this one. This one. Yeah, by the way, 48 points already. With my opposite manipulation level 212. No, 220. Lines up is daily open. So sometimes I'm going to ignore high time frame on NQ if I'm going to trade NQ, but if ES confirming this, I don't mind to take. But in my opinion, ES was kind of tricky. Only reason why I stay away, my target was previous deal low level. It seemed like so obvious. But on ES, So if I would like to ignore the fact that NQ doesn't want to take previous day low level, yes, I can do this. I want to see yes at least a 50% of daily week, like psychological level, potential liquidity level. Then I could try to long this. At this point, I don't need to see previous day low level on NQ. That's what I said before. So I could try this long if yes could take 50% of daily week. But instead, it just was like this. Which is also okay, I guess. What indicator? So far, if you just want to focus on 4-hour levels and 2-minute model, we got to move from, from bullish manipulation to 4-hour open, and daily open lights up with opposite manipulation level. So if it wants to continue going higher, I would say it will go, it may go right here to complete the move. So many people were looking for it. They said, no. Let's reverse right now. Nothing wrong, by the way, nothing wrong with point of control, volume profiles, blah blah blah. Just I don't want to overcomplicate. I don't want to have lots of millions levels on my chart. Or if it wants to be reversal, it will be extremely bullish. So it will never retrace back down. So for this, we need to just break above daily open, and that's it. We'll break previous day high level, which is equal highs as well. At this point. Okay, 10 minutes left, guys. I need. Once again, I will go at 11 because I need to go at 11. Will not trade lunch at this point because I don't know. I'm not going to be at home. And let's see. So I'm going to come back in 1 minute. But if nothing today, then tomorrow. Okay, guys. I'm going to come back in 1 minute. 1 second, guys. Okay, miss nothing so far. Most likely no trades again. You're saying this like I'm doing this like I'm going on Steam to not take any trades. It sounds like this. Like you blaming for not take any trades. You're trying to tell me like Dasha, take at least something. If it's going to be low, then I'm going to blame you. I blew my account because of you. Just explain this to me. What's the logic behind that message? Because it sounds so strange. Because it's a scam. Okay. I mean, that's just strange. No, it's like not only one person who's saying this. I mean, like, I always was like, you're trying to tell me, like, I go on stream on YouTube to not take any trades, then what's the reason of my YouTube streaming? Then, in your opinion, I need to take trades. Anyway, even if it's like just long with closed eyes, I don't know where market right now, just simply because I need to execute something. what's the reason? Yeah, recently, like, the market wasn't bad. I mean, that's strange. I mean, once again, I'm not saying like I'm not going to show trades. I'm just, if I cannot see setup, what I need to do, I need to take trades. Just, I need to take trades because I'm on YouTube. How it works. No, I just trying to understand. It's like, I'm not going to like blame someone for saying this. It's just strange. You had to listen to these guys. I need to say this to someone. Just listen to me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so far it's still boring. I need to go in 6 minutes. This is why actually I did not blow my accounts. It's still like perfect and active. Yeah. So far, if it wants to drop, that's going to be amazing, but 5 minutes left, so I will not be able to do something. Hey guys, I'm going to finish early, so I just need to go. No trades taken. Like, nothing to hide. No trades taken at all. 0 trades. By the way, I passed 2 accounts for Apex. I don't know why. Just pass them like extra. Still paying for them like for evaluation. Just so 0 trades. Going to disconnect. Needs to go. I will try to trade PM, but I don't know how it goes. Yeah, let's see. So previous day low taken, then we can trade. Once again, I'm looking for previous day low taken, maybe a bit lower, and then possible reversal from there. Just I cannot see a lot so far. Okay, guys, see you later. Bye-bye. Don't take stupid trades. Think before you're doing something, okay? Bye-bye, guys.